How to switch between Facebook accounts. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. And now, if you want to switch between your account, then make sure you are signed in and then tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen, and in the menu scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for log out. So tap on the log out option there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on log out again, and with this you will be logged out. You will then be able to view all the Facebook accounts that you have previously connected to this particular device. So simply tap on the Facebook account that you want to log into and switch between accounts. And with this, if required, enter the password for that particular Facebook account. And with this, the account will be switched. And now, if you want to switch back to another account, then you can simply tap on the menu option again and then tap on the log out option and then on log out again. In the login page that you will be led to, tap on the account that you want to then log into, and with this, you will be logged in to another account. So this was about how you can switch between Facebook accounts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.